Standing in mountain with hands in prayer, raise the arms up to praise and around to your sides. Creator Source, Light of the world, thank you for your word in Matthew 17 that tells us that nothing is impossible. Thank you for the phenomenal mountains that produce nourishing water and purifying winds. Please fill us with your glory so that we may remove any doubts, fears, or obstacles from our midst with your power and authority. Inhale, squatting down, and sweep the arms from in between the legs, and exhale, twisting to either side. Inhale and twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, twist. Exhale. Scooping away any obstacles that may be standing in your way, freeing yourself mentally. I am faithful. I am purified. I am energized. I am free. Last one. Bring the arms back to the sides, raise them up over your head, and back down into prayer position.